Schwa is the most common sound in the English language. Well, it is. So I'm doing this series, Blame It on the Schwa. And let me write the word Schwa for you so you can get comfortable seeing this word. This is the word Schwa. And the Schwa is the most common sound in the English language. All of these vowels can make the Schwa sound depending where they sit in a word. And they should sit in the unstressed syllable. So the official symbol for the Schwa looks like this. Though these days I am seeing dictionaries are writing UH for the Schwa. No longer are they using this symbol. I love this symbol. So when you are going to introduce the Schwa sounds of a vowel, I recommend that you focus on one vowel at a time. In this case, in our series, we are focusing on the A, making the Schwa sound. Last time I introduced the word Santa. I'm actually going to divide it and dot the vowels. And we found out that the last A in Santa is a Schwa. And what I do is I draw an arrow for the student to show them that the A is not saying a, and it's not saying a, it's not saying Santa or Sante, it's saying Santa. And sometimes it's hard for them to switch into that sound, so I just draw an arrow. Now, the word for today is going to be Africa. And guess what? You see something? You hear it at the end of Africa. I draw an arrow and we say Africa, not Africa or Afrique, okay? Also, some of us would argue that the I is taking on a Schwa sound too because it's saying Africa and not Africa. But we won't talk about the I yet because guess what? Reminder, we are only introducing the A as a Schwa, so the students are practicing. We also put a brev on top of the A, meaning a smile. I'm going to say my short sound. That's what the smile means, a little sneaky. So it says Africa. So we have Santa, and my second word for video number 2 for Blame It on the Schwa series is Africa. Try these words with your students and have them notice how we don't say the common sound of the A. We slide into a Schwa. And the real reason, and we'll talk about this later, is that the stress is at the beginning. Africa. These get shy because this one was stressed. That is all for today. Video number 2. The A sounds like a Schwa.